Hi there, it's me, Gary, Claudia's virtual assistant with an important message. Always begin by setting your Maya project. When setting up your Maya scenes, please be sure to pay special attention to composition. Please revisit the rules for composition. Rule of thirds, golden section, and all of that. Really take a moment and revisit what you've learned, or maybe haven't learned. Then, clearly establish a foreground, middle ground, and a background. Make sure objects in the scene vary in scale and detail. To further immerse the viewer in the scene, make sure that some objects break the frame and that the camera is placed with purpose. Is the camera angle low or high? Why? What is the camera's focal length setting? If you are not sure how focal length works, or what to set it to for your scene, do a Google image search on focal length portrait and focal length landscape. You will get a sense for what's right for your scene quickly. The scene's composition and camera angle should help tell the feeling, meaning and purpose of the shot, and therefore help you tell the overall story. For this to work properly, you have to first be very clear on what the purpose and meaning of the shot you are working on is. Think about this and articulate it in simple terms. After you established a strong composition with an interesting camera angle, start experimenting with the lights. Lights in what we call the throw of light should lead the viewer's eye, accentuate and sculpt important shapes, open up the space and convey the feeling of the shot. Lights and shadows should be an integral part of the composition. Keep in mind that diagonals can help make a shot dynamic. Lights that come from off-screen can help create the illusion of a space outside of the picture frame, and thus help immerse the viewer in the scene. Shadows cast into the scene by objects that are off-screen also create the illusion of a world beyond the picture frame, such as the shadows of leaves from a tree that's not actually in the frame, for example. I find it works best and is most efficient to work on textures after the composition, camera and lighting has been firmly established. Implement these basic rules and your work will have made a leap. Good stuff. Hey, thanks for listening.